Hey everybody, today we are going to be creating Lego portraits. Lego people that look like us. If at any point you feel like you don't understand what's going on and you can't complete a step, just make sure you pause, okay? The first step that we're going to do will be to create the head, and that's going to be a square shape. Okay, and you can take your time on that. It's going to have a little bit of a rounded edge to it. In the next steps, made some extra steps that were a little bit too complicated. So you can just put a small rectangle on top. But if you think that you're going to add some hair or a hat, you can skip that step. Next, I'm going to add on my eyes after I have it all cleaned up. I'm going to add eyes, and then I'm going to add a little smile. Okay, the next step will be my neck. That'll be two short lines, very short lines. And then for my shoulders, I am going to add a straight line across. And the body will be made up of a quadrilateral, which is a four-sided shape. And the shape will be a trapezoid. All right. The next step is going to be to create arms, and my arms are the shape of triangles. And I'm going to put one on each side. The hands are a little hard, so you may need to pause to catch the steps, but you're going to add two lines and then two lines that look like C's on either side and connect. And then you can either pause and really take your time on that, or you can watch this second one. That might give you a better idea. But definitely look back and forth between your page and the drawing to make sure everything's okay. Next, we're going to do our legs. That's going to be two rectangles. Very simple. And at that point, I added a little bit of extra, some breaks in the leg for my legs. Okay, but then that's basically it. From here, I'm going to just tighten it up a little bit, and then I'm going to start thinking about how I can add on to make this one look like me. So I added on some stripes for my sleeves, and then I'm going to decide what to put in the center of my shirt. I chose to use a rocket ship as my picture. So it looks like I have on a little school uniform, and I'm going to add some squiggly lines for fire and add some wings. And my rocket ship is out of space, so I'm going to add some stars, big stars on my shirt. Then I'm going to think about what else I can do to make this mine. And I think that I'm going to add on some hair. So like I said before, you probably are going to end up erasing that if you want to add hair or a hat. So it's not a big deal if it didn't come out perfect. I'm going to add a little pixie cut. Just like that. Got my hair going on there, yeah. And I want to add a little smile. Now I'm going to add on my paint palette because I want my person to be doing something that I love to do, and painting is one of my favorite things. On the other hand, I'm going to add a little brush. And that is basically it. I'd love for you to add some color to your piece. I'm going to outline mine, and I'd love to also have you think about who else you can create. Maybe your parents or guardian or a friend in your classroom. I can't wait to see how yours come out.